Tens of thousands of public sector workers, from nurses to firefighters and paramedics, are being promised a 4.5% pay rise from July 1. The New South Wales government says it'll help to retain staff and attract new ones. But unions say that figure is still not enough.
They are some of our most valued workers, and they've been pleading for higher pay rises for years. Now the government says it's delivering.
This is the biggest pay increase the New South Wales public sector will have gotten in more than a decade.
The deal includes a 4% pay rise and an extra 0.5% in super. As an example of what this does to pay packets, the government says a first-year registered nurse will get almost $2,700 extra a year, a qualified firefighter an additional $3,491, and a second-year paramedic an extra $3,189 a year. But the union that looks after paramedics and other health workers says it's far from enough.
This year we are seeing inflation through the roof. So we've got people now who are struggling literally to either buy bread or milk, and that needs to be taken into account when the government's patting itself on the back.
This offer will cost the budget $618 million in the coming financial year. Labor will now repeal the previous government's 2.5% wages cap, but says this effectively abolishes it anyway. But this is not just about pay. An industrial relations task force will now bring together workers, their unions and government agencies to help design a more cooperative bargaining system. Union members will now need to either rubber stamp or reject the offer.
Our position is we're going to keep continuing to campaign for higher wages for workers in New South Wales. We need to attract workers from other states to New South Wales. While this is a step in the right direction, we have to get ahead of the pack.